Let us see how to create the adjustment layer and what is the benefit of adjustment layer in Adobe Premiere Pro. So just imagine that you have got 3 cuts in your timeline and you want to apply some effect on all these clips. So basically, what you can do is you can go to the effects panel and then just drop that effect on each clip independently. So you have to repeat this operation 3 times. But with adjustment layer, what you can do is that you can choose one adjustment layer and then just apply the effect on that specific layer instead of applying that effect individually on each clip. So that is the main benefit of using the adjustment layer. You can give the same effect to all the clips which are covering that adjustment layer. So I'm gonna show you how you can create that layer. To create the adjustment layer, make sure that this timeline is not selected. So that means you have to click on some other panel, for example project panel, and then go to file, then click on new, and then click on adjustment layer, and then give the dimensions for the new layer. Just click on OK, and the adjustment layer is created. Then just drag and drop it on the top of the clips where you want to apply the effect, and you can see that this particular adjustment layer is just on the top of all these clips where you want to apply the effect. Let us say you want to blur some part of all these clips. So we are going to apply the effect on the adjustment layer, and what will happen is that that effect will be applied to all the clips that are down there. So let us apply blur effect. So remember that I applied this effect on the adjustment layer, and then I'm gonna go to the effect controls panel. I'm gonna choose the Gaussian blur, and you can notice that this effect has been applied to this clip as well as the next clip as well as the third clip as well. So by just applying the effect on the adjustment layer, it is impacting all the layers that are beneath it. And similarly, you can use any other effect on the adjustment layer, and that will get applied to all the other clips that are under that particular layer. That's it. Thanks for watching.